Hi, this is Scoggett, and we have another one of these good old West Texas severe thunderstorms going on in Tornado Alley tonight, and it's 10:15 in the evening, and thought I'd catch just a little bit of this, and I'm just at my front door. It's rolling through right now, so there's a lot of lightning and wind in this storm, and it's, like I say, it's a severe thunderstorm. And hopefully this will come out pretty good. I always have problems with the camera because it's not really night oriented. I'm going to film just a little bit of it, not a whole lot. But this is what we're experiencing here in Tornado Alley. And it's one heck of a good thunderstorm. It's got a lot of wind and lightning in it. I don't know if I can. Yeah, that's good. But it's really coming down out here. I'm going to try a little experiment here and going to move back and turn the porch light on. I don't know if it will improve anything, but with the porch light on you might be able to see the rain. It's really coming down. I don't know if this makes it better or not. Kind of like the other way better. So we're going to cut it off and record just a little more, and then I'm going to go inside. But this is what we're having down here tonight. And a lot of thunder and lightning. This is weather I live for. It's just a shame it's not during the daytime so I can be out there filming, because like I say, my camera is not very good in the nighttime, but it takes good daytime pictures. Like I say, it's really coming down. Wish I could get out there closer to it, but my camera would get wet if I do. That's the only bad thing. See if I can. I'm gonna have to work on getting me a night camera. When I bought this camera, I thought it was one, but I found out it's not a night oriented. It's just for like daylight, but hopefully it'll take a little bit where you can see. I mean, with the lightning and all, I believe it'd be pretty good. This is Scoggett. I'm going to go ahead and end this video and go on in. It's starting to blow rain my way, so I don't want my camera to get wet or nothing. So this is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Waited all day for this to get here, and it got here at the wrong time. So this is Goggett. Y'all stay safe and take care.